Hello, sweet babies. I am Mama Lucille, and I'm here to show you guys how to make some Kool-Aid pickles, and they're also known as Koolickles. They're from the Delta region of Mississippi. Now let's get started. Now this recipe calls for a packet of Kool-Aid, whatever flavor that fits your fancy, a jar of pickles, a mixing bowl, and some sugar. Some regular old sugar, not the kiss of sugar now, just regular old sugar. 3/4 cups of regular old sugar. The first step is to open up the jar of pickles. Now if you're struggling like I was, you gotta find yourself a mighty strong, handsome gentleman to help you open up the jar of pickles. Luckily for me, I asked my husband to do it. He makes it look so easy. Then you want to slowly pour out all the pickle juice out of the pickle jar. Make sure you get every single last drop. Now it's okay if you make a mess. We're going to go ahead and clean that on up later. Then we're going to slowly pour in the sugar. We're going to pour in all 3/4 cups of the sugar into the mixing bowl. Next, rip open the Kool-Aid packet and pour in all the flavoring inside the mixing bowl. Make sure you do it gently. Next, we're going to mix it all on up. You can use a whisk, a fork, a spoon, whatever suits your fancy to mix all the ingredients up. Mix it until all the sugar is dissolved and everything is well blended. Now your mixture should look something like this. Slowly pour the mixture into the pickle jar. Now it's okay if all of it doesn't fit in. Remember, we add that sugar. So gently pour it in until you get almost all the way up to the top. Put the lid back on and make sure you secured it on tight. Give it a little shake and then put it in the refrigerator. And shake it at least once a day for 5 to 7 days. And this is the end result. What do you guys think? Did you guys try a different flavor? Or do you guys have a pickle recipe you guys want to share with me? Well, let me know on Facebook. Alright. Take care, and I'll see you guys around next time.